What's going on, everybody? My name is John Serwin and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made this. Some charcoal grilled Polish sausage. We made this Polish about a week or two ago and grilled it up on the charcoal grill. We got some homemade hot dog buns, some caramelized onions, and that will produce us this, a char grilled Polish sausage. Show you the techniques and how it's done coming up. Stay tuned. For our grilled Polish, we are going to saute up some onions. I mean, there's nothing really better that goes with a Polish than sauteed onions and mustard. Gonna get this onto medium heat. We're just gonna do straight up butter this time. About a hefty tablespoon of butter. You always add more if need be. And same procedure as usual. Once the butter starts foaming, we will add the onions in and cook them down to a deep caramelization. We now have a slight bit of color on our butter and a touch of nuttiness smell. So this is just 3 onions that I cut up, 2 big pinches of salt, let them cook down. Deep caramelization, which is probably gonna take about 35-40 minutes. Making some progress here on our onions. We're actually gonna do them on super low. I want a deep caramelization, so I got it almost as low as possible. And we're gonna let this go almost an hour, I'd say. So, been cooking for about a half hour now. Deglaze every once in a while, and yeah, just keep her going low and slow. What's going on there, folks? At this point, I am making potato buns. I will link my full video for making potato buns in the description below. But basically, we're going to get to the point of where we get them all balled up into 8 separate little dough balls, and I'll show you the procedure on how to roll them into hot dog buns. Now that we have our 8 dough balls, we are going to fold them all together. Now we're going to flatten it out as much as we can. Even take a rolling pin here. Once we got it as flat as we can, we're going seam side up. We are just going to roll it and keep pinching it. We are going to be making some hot dog buns. Pinch up this seam, roll it out until about 6 inches. We will be placing these onto a silicone lined sheet pan. I'm going to finish up the rest of these. Shoot for 8 total. And there we have it. There's 8, hopefully what turn out to be some nice hot dog or brat buns. I'm going to put these in my oven. I'm going to spray the tops of these with about 6 spritzes of water. Maybe call it 7. And then I'm going to put these in my oven. I actually have a proofing setting in my oven, but if you don't have a proofing setting, just go ahead, put it in your oven, crack the door open slightly and leave the oven light on. That should be about a 90-degree good proofing environment. I'm also going to do about 12 to 13, so a dozen to a baker's dozen spritzes of water inside the oven. And we'll let this proof in there for about 60 to 90 minutes. Well, here is our attempt at hot dog buns. So they didn't rise up a crazy amount, which is fine by me. We're gonna go ahead, throw an egg wash on these, which is just 1 egg beaten with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. You just want to really thin it out. And yeah, just go ahead and egg wash these, and we are going to bake them at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. We're going to spin them around in the oven after 8 minutes, see how they're doing. Into a 400-degree oven they go. All right, down on the bottom oven, 400-degree oven. We are tossing it into the center. Set a timer for 8 minutes. Flip it around then. It has now been 8 minutes. Let's give it a little flip around. Even though we're on convection, I just always like to flip it around. All right. Looking interesting. We shall see how they turn out. Here they are, folks. They feel pretty soft. Let's see. We'll see how they are once they fully cool down. Out to the grill we go. May have underestimated not only the time, but the temperature as well. It's getting chilly out, but hey, show must go on. We are going to start our Polishes a little bit on the outside, do a little indirect, and then we will sear the casings once we get up to about 130 internal. We only want to cook this to about 150, 155 degrees. Look at those beauties right there. We are almost ready to come off the grill. All right, finish these off and see you on the inside. And here we are with some nice charcoal grilled Polish sausage. Let's do some assembling. We're gonna grab a bun. Hey, they feel really good. Didn't puff up as much as I thought they would, but no big deal. Live and learn. Feel pretty good though. Cut into it. Gonna grab a Polish, throw it down in. Some of that Dijon mustard that we made a little while ago, about a week or two ago. Heavy on the mustard, why not? And then some of those deeply caramelized onions. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Whole lot of onions. And there we have it, folks. That is what I've realized is the very first, we're witnessing history here, folks. History has been made today. This is the very first thing I have ever made that is 100% homemade. I made the bun, I made the sausage, I made the mustard. I bought the onion, but does that count? I don't know. Maybe next time I'll grow the onion and I'll grill it myself then too. Then it's 100% off the grid, I guess. I don't know, we'll figure out what the saying is for sure. Nothing left to do but give it the old official taste test. There is no way I am gonna make this look graceful, so sorry. Man, Charcoal grilling grilled onions. It is just out of this world, truly. Man, it's the sweetness of the onion, that garlic. That garlic hits you from that Polish. The bun is light, airy, slight sweetness from that potatoey honeyness. It's a keeper. I mean, change up the mustard with whatever you want, but that's the first time I made Dijon mustard and I love it. Let me know, is a Polish sausage, a grilled Polish, common in where you live? Because super common in Chicago. We have grilled Polishes all over the place, and this is how they serve them. They'll serve them with a little bit of sport peppers on there, but it's mustard, grilled onion, Polish at all the ballparks. Let me know. I'm curious if the other regions of the U.S. has grilled Polishes like we do in Chicago. So yeah, give it a shot. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, thanks for coming by. Greatly appreciate it. And just remember, you're only making food out of ingredients until you sit down and share them with the ones you love. Then it's a meal. All right, guys. Can't thank you enough. Much appreciated. Till next time.